Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. June 19th, 11 variant question number 4 we have. And all right. And the what question is we have given a trapezium because two sides are parallel and two sides are not parallel. But very important thing here, what? This is important thing mentioned here. CD is parallel to XY. This is a very important connection. When any line is parallel, look here, this line is parallel to x-axis actually. Okay. So it means in this sense, what is this? This is a y value, same y value here, same y value here, same y value here, same. So y values will not change. If I move right side, y value remains same, x value will change only. So in this sense, I can tell that D coordinate without any hesitation. This I don't know x coordinate. I given name as a K, but this is a 3h. How I know? I said that what is this h and 3h? It means x value is h and y value is 3h. So same y value is 3h. That is why I wrote 3h. I think all people understand this common idea what I'm explaining. Anyway, come back. Why I wrote k? You can write any variable here. But what is my target number one? Calculate the height of the value of h. H is given here. So what concept I can use it here? He given 90 degrees. This is a very important concept. You know it very well. This line gradient and this line gradient's product equal to -1. Why? When two lines are parallel, perpendicular to each other, make sure. So this gradient is m1 and this gradient is m2. So products of both gradient is -1. This is a link is confirmed. We know it. Okay, students. So let's see how we can deal this concept. Okay, first of all. So do we have these coordinates? Yes. Do we have this coordinate? Yes. So I'm going to find this AB, this gradient. So gradient of, let me write A coordinates of 4, 0, B coordinates 0, 2. I'll find this gradient. And then I will use B 0, 2, and I will use C coordinate H comma 3H. So I will find this both gradients. So let's start. All right. So AB and BC. So first of all, gradient of AB line. So y2 minus y1, all students know it, over x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4. And I get negative half. Now I'm going to find gradient of BC line. So y2 minus y1, so 3h minus 2, over x minus x1, so h minus 0. And finally, I get 3h by minus 2 divided by h. So you know, as we know that as perpendicular as AB line is perpendicular, this is a special sign of perpendicular. This is called perpendicular to BC. So I can say that gradient of AB times to gradient of BC is equals to -1. This connection I can use. This value will come here and this value will come here, and that's it. So negative half times to 3h minus 2 over h. Here algebra only important. Okay, you know, in the middle we have multiply sign according to criteria of algebra. So up this value will multiply up and down with down. So in this sense I get down 2h, -1 multiply inside, I get negative 3h and plus 2. I believe you got a point. Cross multiply. So I get what, students? Minus 3h plus 2 equal to negative 2h. 3h goes there, become 1h. So h becomes 2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So part number 1 is over. So part number I is finished and part number 2. And part number 2, D coordinate we're looking for. So I have two techniques to get it. Let's find like a plan. Okay, the ideal plan is what here? Because I'm looking for D coordinate. So what is a technique I can use here? First of all, you can see that these two arrows means they are parallel to each other. Okay, so it means in this gradient I have, you can find this gradient somehow. Okay, this h I have it, I can plug in h. So if I put this h2 value, students, so D coordinate become k comma 6. How 6? Because h is 2, 3 2s are 6. So at least this coordinate I have it. So you know, student, you remember whenever equation of line is given and one point lies on it, let's say D lies on it, So for example, let's say I have this equation of line. I will replace 6 in the place of y and k in the place of x. I can find out easily the k unknown coordinate. So what is the plan of action, students? So find out AD equation of line and then put this coordinate in the place of equation. So this I just roughly had taken. So let's start. dk, actually when I plug in 2 here, 6. So d is 6, k6. So d coordinate is k6. Okay, now I'm finding the equation. So first of all, gradient of the AB line is negative half. So it means this gradient is negative half. This line, this line, this line. And because this is a perpendicular, you can see perpendicular, this perpendicular. So this line is naturally gradient is a positive 2. So I will use positive 2. I use 4, 0, 4, 0. Use A coordinate 4, 0 and M value is 2. I recheck. A coordinate 4, 0 and this 2 gradient. So let's try to find it. Formula y minus y1 m times 2x minus x1, and I label here x1 and way y1. Nothing hard. Y minus 0, m is 2, x minus x1. So I got a 4 and this I get equation 2x minus 8. I can say one line here as d k comma 6 lies on it. So I can do what? This 6 will go in the place of y. This k go in the place of x. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. 8 goes there, become 14. 2 divide, I got 7. So d coordinate 7 here. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. 7 comma 6. This is my answer. So I believe you got a point very, very